Good afternoon, Mr. President. My name is Ella Ruto. I'm 9 years old. I'm the current Little Miss Kenya 2025-2026. I'm a young energy enthusiast. And this is my question to you, Mr. President. What is the government doing to promote and support wildlife conservation?
Okay, I will answer that one. There was a gentleman here, I think I wanted to...
Yes.
Oh.
Your Excellency, Mr. President, my name is Leshan. And I know I wasn't born in 1972, but in
to answer your question, yeah? So, as I explained earlier on what we need to do in the tourism space, you have asked me what is the Kenya government, what is my administration, the one that I run, what is it doing to improve on the tourism sector? And I just wildlife. Number one, the first thing we did was to provide a mechanism to protect our wildlife. That is why we hired 1,500 game rangers to make sure that our wildlife are safe. Number two, as you heard me say earlier, we are not only looking at wildlife in the wild, we are also looking at those who are endangered, like the rhinos. So we, 2 days ago, we have put in 600 million shillings to expand the rhino sanctuary in Savo to make it the largest rhino sanctuary in the world. And we are not only providing people to protect, we are also providing an environment for them to multiply because their numbers are really down. We are also looking at how we can expand the area where wildlife can access. And we are working with counties. For example, in Amboseli, we've agreed with the county government of Kajiado that apart from the 300,000 acres that is Amboseli National Park, they are going to add 1 million acres so that there is more space for wildlife to use. The same thing is happening in Masai Mara. The same thing is happening in all our other tourism facilities. So we have a comprehensive plan. This afternoon, Ella, this afternoon, we just launched our wildlife sensors in this space because we want to know trends, which wildlife numbers are growing, and how do we support it, which wildlife numbers are going down, and how do we mitigate so that we can have numbers and data on what is happening to our wildlife. You have heard another person here saying that we should be eating the wildlife, but we are going to have another conversation with him. Eric has talked about insurance. I don't know whether you know that once upon a